Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today we will learn very short and very important English sentences for learning English. Are you new this channel? Please subscribe my channel. So let's start lesson. Go away. चले जाओ. Go away. Come here. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Let's go. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Sounds great. अच्छा लगा. Sounds great. What next? आगे क्या? What next? What now? अब क्या? What now? Shut up. चुप रहो. Shut up. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Don't worry. फिक्र न करो. Don't worry. Bring it. उसे ले आओ. Bring it. Keep quiet. खामोश रहो. Keep quiet. Help me. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Too much. बहुत ज़्यादा. Too much. Cheer up. खुश हो जाओ. Cheer up. Next time. अगली बार. Next time. Walk behind. पीछे चलो. Walk behind. Watch out. ध्यान से. Watch out. Run away. भाग जाओ. Run away. This one. ये वाला. This one. That one. वो वाला. That one. Take bath. नहा लो. Take bath. He plays. वो खेलता है. He plays. He cries. वो रोता है. He cries. She helps. वो मदद करती है. She helps. Find him. उसे ढूंढो. Find him. Follow me. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. Don't talk. बात मत करो. Don't talk. Just now. बस अभी अभी. Just now. Not me. मैं नहीं. Not me. He teaches. वो पढ़ाता है. He teaches. Have fun. मज़े करो. Have fun. Good luck. अच्छा हो. Good luck. Not me. मैं नहीं. Not me. Too much. बहुत ज़्यादा. Too much. Off and on. कभी कभार. Off and on. Never forget. कभी न भूलना. never forget, don't worry, फिक्र ना करो, don't worry, go yourself, खुद जाओ, go yourself, any news, कोई खबर, any news, by chance, इत्तफाक से, by chance, where on, कहाँ पर, where on, don't touch, मत छुएं, don't touch, I am sure, मुझे यकीन है, I am sure, how sweet, कितना प्यारा, how sweet, I know, मैं जानता हूँ, I know, we play, हम खेलते हैं, we play, don't fight, मत लड़ो, don't fight,